Dear friends, welcome to this video. In this video I will explain you how to connect the new stem kit. In this kit I have put two IR sensors and one buzzer module and one LED module. First I will show the working of the video. When I put the hand here, first motor is working. When I place the hand here, you can see the light and the buzzer is working. Now I will explain the components. The first part I have plugged is a 9 volt DC to adapter. This it goes to the one DC to DC converter. This module converts this 9 volt to 5 volt, and there is another switch. You can see switch helps to on or off this plug-in. Also it switches between the USB power. You can also use the direct USB power. Then it output will be 5 volt. Then it's go to the IC. This is a NOT gate IC, and this here I connected two sensors, one IR module, another one is also IR module, which connected here. You can see the pin out here. Then it goes to the NOT gate 7404 IC, and it invert the input. Then it is goes to the motor driver L293D IC, and this outputs goes to the motor. And also the same copy of the input to the motor driver goes to the next section of LED module. LED module, when input is high, it will be 10 high. Then also the input of the LED modules goes to the buzzer module. This is the working of this system.